Challenging terrains holding you back? Expand your business opportunities. Get the maximum from PV. On sloped or uneven grounds, over crops, on reservoirs, or community solar gardens. Introducing SolarEdge TerraMax Inverter, rated at 330 kilowatts, combined with H1300 Power Optimizers, the first DC-optimized utility-scale PV solution, versatile for any landscape, reducing up to 50% BOS costs. Powerful, increases your solar profits with 200% oversizing and panel-level MPPT. Granular visibility, down to panel level, for smart PV fleet management. Safe and cyber secure. SolarEdge TerraMax Inverter. Groundbreaking versatility, greater yields.